What's up, mainframers? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's Cobol coding challenge, we are building loops using the perform statement. So if you ever wonder how to repeat a task 5 times or to loop until a condition is met, this tutorial is for you. This tutorial is for the Cobol version that runs on the MVS 3.8 mainframe. So if you don't have access to a mainframe, that's not a problem. I got a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator that runs the MVS 3.8, which is an IBM mainframe software. So you can install it and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. Now that the intro's out of the way, let's get this code started. Alright, so I created a new member named MJ1ALMN based on the structure and content of Cobol 01. Quick tip, in Cobol 65, terminate blocks with periods instead of end perform, and use paragraph-based loops rather than inline perform. Let's get started with the first example. I'm going to move the cursor down to procedure division and press F8 to bring it to the top of the screen. So next we're going to insert a line and we're going to type perform paragraph 1 and we're going to say 5 times, period. Next we're going to create the paragraph. And then we're going to insert the line and we're going to say display hello world, period. This will execute paragraph 1 5 times and display hello world 5 times. Let's do another example. I'm going to move my cursor to working storage section and I'm going to press F8 to bring it to the top of page. Next, I'm going to insert a line and then define a 0-1 level variable called WSCount. I'm going to make a pick 9, period, hit enter. Then back to the procedure division, we're going to insert a line. We're going to say perform paragraph 2 until WSCount is greater than 5, period. Oops, I almost forgot. It's always a good idea to initialize your count before you do the perform. So we're going to say move 1 to WS count, period. Next, I just repeat paragraph 1 as a block, hit enter, and put an insert line. Let's breathe a little bit. And we're going to call it paragraph 2. And this time we're going to say display what's up. Next, we're going to insert a line and we're going to say add 1 to WS counter, period. This loop performs paragraph 2 repeatedly until counter exceeds 5. And don't forget to save your work. Next step is to compile the program using this compile job. Type sub from the command line and hit enter. Condition code 0, good. Next step, we need to execute this JCL job that executes the program MJ1ALMN taken from the load library that are provided in the compile job. Just type sub from the command line and hit enter. Next, we do an equal 3.8 to go to the spool and go find our job. Then we press F8 to go down to see the SYSOUT. And there you go. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then I'd like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below so you can be notified for more future upcoming Cobol tutorials coming your way. Also, don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any other Cobol related topics that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.